Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make these beautiful white earrings. I will show you really easy step by step how I'm making them, and I'm sure that by the end of this tutorial you will be able to make them by yourself. I'm using really simple stuff that are sold in any beading store. These are 2-hole beads that could be a Smara bead or twin bead or Superduo bead, whatever you have. And if you want to support me and make me do more tutorials, please subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified for my new upcoming project. And you could also like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below this video. I will be so happy to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching. Now I will start with the list of the materials. Okay guys, so for this video what you're going to need are Superduo beads or twin beads or other brand of beads, and these are 2.5 by 5 millimeters beads, and you could use any brand you want, it still works. And I'm using 8/0 beads and 11/0 seed beads, ear wires and jump rings. Use any type you like, and I'm using here monofilament. You should use monofilament because otherwise if you use beading thread your earring won't be hard enough and it will bend, it won't look good. So I'm using monofilament that is 0.006 inches or 0.15 millimeters. I'm using size 10 beading needle, and here I will take 4 feet of thread, which is about 1.2 meters of thread, and I think 3 feet will be enough, but it depends how much you like to reinforce your work. So 90 centimeters I think will be enough too, but it's better to take more and reinforce. And I need scissors and flat nose pliers to attach your ear wires to your work. Okay, so now I will take thread on my needle and I'll be back. Okay guys, and my first step is the longest and I think the most difficult. So you should take one twin bead, 1 11/0, one twin bead, 1 11/0, one twin bead, 1 11/0, and you should repeat this 24 times. And I will take my 24 beads and I'll be back. Okay guys, and I took 24 2-hole beads and 24 11/0 seed beads. I have 48 beads in total, but I'm alterating them, so I have 24 by 24. And now what I want to do is slide them down, okay, and I will stick my needle in my mat. And now I want to make a knot, okay. And I'm making my knot by making a loop and going once, then going second time through the loop I've made, and then I will pull, but I will make sure that my thread is between those 2 beads where I started my knot from, and I'm going to pull. And now this is what I have. I have a beautiful circle of beads here, and then what I do is that I go through some beads in this direction, just like that. Go through several beads, okay. Now my thread is exiting here. Unfortunately there is no colored monofilament, so I'm using this transparent thread here, okay. You could see this like that, and then I will go to the other empty hole of the same twin that I'm exiting out of. So I'm exiting out of here, and then I'm going in this direction, and what I do is take 2 of these beautiful twin beads or Superduo beads or Smara beads, use whatever brand you want. Then I'm going through the next twin bead. Okay, just like that. And I will continue adding one bead until I count 12 beads from here. So 1 2 3 4. So I need 8 more beads to go. Okay, now I have 12 beads. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 beads here between the spaces where I add the places where I add 2 beads. Okay, here I'm adding 2, and here I have 12 beads to go. Until I reach here I have 12 beads, so I will add them and I'll be back. Okay guys, and now I'm here where I'm adding my last bead, that is my 12 bead. Okay, now this is what I have, and I will go through these 2 beads. You see what I'm doing? Then I'm going through these top beads, through the empty hole. So I went through those 2 beads, I was exiting from here, and I went in this direction and then back with my thread through this bead here at the top. You see where my thread is? My thread is exiting out of here, and I need 1 8-0 going here, and I will continue adding 8-0s following the whole length of my work, but it's easier for me to flip it this way and work in this direction because I'm right-handed. Okay, and I'm going to continue this until I have this full circle, and I'll be back. Okay guys, and now I have this bead here, which is my last bead from this circle, and now this is what I have. Now what I want to do is go through this bead here, and here I want to make something like a flower. Okay, so I will take 1 twin bead, 1 8-0, 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 and just 1 twin bead. Okay, this is what I have. I have 6 twin beads and 5 8-0s, and here is my 6th 8-0, and I will make a circle through all of them. And now I have this here at the top, and what I'm going to do is go through some beads. Okay, and now as I'm exiting from this twin bead here, you see, from its inner filled hole, I will go through its empty outer hole in the same direction, and I will repeat this with all of my twin beads. I will go through all of their empty holes. Okay, and I will pull to the center of my work, and in order to make it tight I need to go few more times around this joint here to make my flower look better. Okay, now I'm taking just one seed bead, and you see my thread, I'm exiting in this direction from this twin bead, and I will go through my opposite twin bead. So I'm counting 1, 2, and I'm going through the third one, and I'm going with this one bead here on my needle in the same direction where my thread is pointing to. Okay, and I'm going to pull, and when I pull I have this bead exactly in the center of my work. Now guys, here I'm not exactly satisfied with the result because it's soft, and what I want to do is go back through all of my beads here, and I want to go several times reinforcing this work and making it tighter and tighter. Okay, I will go through all of those beads here around the edge, and here in the center I will make it stay tighter, and I'll be back. Okay guys, and I went around the outer edge, then through the inner row, and then I went inside here reinforcing my work, and now it sits really harder than before. So now I'm going to make some knot, and I'm making my knot by making a loop, going once, going second time through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling. Then I will repeat this several more times, and I will cut my thread. Okay guys, and now I cut my thread and my work is almost ready. I should just add my ear wire, and in order to add it I'm taking my jump ring. I'm opening this up with my pliers. Okay, and I will put it here inside this bead. Okay, this is what I have. Now I will take my ear wire and I will put it this way because I want this to be the front side of my earring, and I will squeeze back my jump ring here. Okay, and now guys, this is what I have. My earring is ready. Okay guys, and now my earrings are ready. So if you like them and you want to see more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified for my new projects. And you might also like, share and comment, and you don't know how much you help me with this. So don't forget what else you could do with this beautiful pattern here. So this was all from me. Bye bye.